Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're going to look at this 1970 Boss 302. That is absolutely fantastic vehicle. Prior to getting deeper into this vehicle, just want to tell you a little bit about Classic Cars of Sarasota. We are located in Sarasota, Florida, just north of University on the corner of Televast and 301. We keep about 100 cars in inventory, from classic to exotics, luxury vehicles, late models, and everything in between. We do offer financing through our third-party partners, and we do offer shipping services for the folks that may be out of state. About 65% of our customers are out of state, so we do offer shipping for those that need it. We do have a third party that helps us in shipping, and she has been shipping cars for over 15 years and can help you with your shipping needs as well. All our shippers are insured and fully bonded. And now back to this beautiful, fully restored Boss 302 1970. As you can see in the grabber orange I mentioned earlier, has the wide oval Firestone tires, nearly 100% or 100 point, excuse me, restoration. Obviously did not come with the wide ovals back in 70, and then the Autolite battery is not in the vehicle, so nearly 100 point restoration, but the car is absolutely fantastic, fully documented with a Marti Report. On our website you can see the engine numbers, transmission numbers. You can see everything tagged and marked as it would have come in 1970 on this beautiful, beautiful Mustang. Has black interior, bucket seats, comes with a Hurst shifter, and kind of dark, but you can see the radio in there. That is not factory as well. So as I mentioned, a couple small items. That sports roof, as you can see. We look inside, does have the spare tire, the pump and jack, and difficult to see here, but a video online or website has better pictures, but just want to show everybody quarter panels in excellent condition, no seams or patches that you can see. We can be reached at 941-355-1955 or visit our website at Classic Cars of Sarasota. If you are interested in this vehicle, we'll go ahead and get it started. While vehicles are inside, we do keep the batteries disconnected, so I'll go ahead and connect the battery here. Obviously cold start, so we'll go ahead and get it fired up. Shut the trunk here so it doesn't slam when we start the vehicle up. As I mentioned, 4-speed Hurst shifter. Make sure we're in neutral and start the vehicle. Starts right up. Let it warm up a little bit before we rev it. You can see the fuel gauge coming up. Here. Neutral. Nice rumble. Exhaust. Engine sounds like it should. No knocking or ticks. Again, if you are interested, please give us a call at 941-355-1955 or visit our website, Classic Cars of Sarasota. We have over 100 pictures of this vehicle, all angles, the interior, engine bay, underneath, and as I mentioned earlier, you'll see the engine numbers and transmission numbers for those that are interested. Sounds fantastic. Once it starts to warm up, we'll go ahead and shut it off. Make sure we're reversed. Get the key out, the reverse lockout. Again, a fantastic feature. Again, if you are interested, please visit our website or give us a call at 941-355-1955. or our website at Classic Cars of Sarasota for this 1970 Boss 302 in grabber orange. Just an absolutely stunning restoration. Beautiful, beautiful car. It'd be happy in anybody's collection. Thank you for joining.